Building a massive bridge starts deep beneath the river. Engineers first drive enormous steel piles deep into the riverbed.
Inside the foundation, a massive steel reinforcement cage is carefully lowered into position. Then, massive pumps fill the foundation with concrete, locking the steel reinforcement inside a solid base.
Once the concrete cures, the pillar rises from this hidden foundation, strong enough to support thousands of tons. Finally, the bridge deck is installed. What started deep beneath the river is now a massive bridge carrying thousands of tons across it. How do engineers build a massive bridge foundation underwater? It starts deep beneath the riverbed. First, engineers drive interlocking steel walls deep into the riverbed, creating a giant sealed chamber called a cofferdam.
Once sealed, powerful pumps remove the water, leaving a dry construction area beneath the river. Engineers then build a massive steel reinforcement cage and fill the entire chamber with reinforced concrete.
The result is a massive underwater foundation, supporting a completed bridge that can carry thousands of tons across the river. Ever wondered how massive subway tunnels are carved right beneath busy cities? It all starts deep underground. Engineers deploy giant tunnel boring machines, or TBMs, equipped with rotating cutter heads to grind through solid rock. As the machine excavates, mechanical arms instantly install heavy precast concrete segments, building a permanent protective ring. Working continuously day and night, the TBM leaves behind miles of fully secured, perfectly engineered underground tunnel. Within months, modern subway trains race through these underground arterial routes, moving millions across the city seamlessly. How do heavy excavators effortlessly scoop up tons of earth? It all begins with a high-torque diesel engine driving a hydraulic pump.
The pump forces hydraulic fluid under extreme pressure through control valves, directing raw mechanical power toward the excavator's arm. Inside the heavy cylinders, this pressurized fluid drives chrome pistons outward with incredible hydraulic force.
This extension moves the massive steel boom and bucket with surgical precision, ready to strike into the ground.
In seconds, hydraulic power transforms fluid pressure into massive force, lifting tons of earth effortlessly.
How are the world's largest ocean giants constructed? It all begins inside a massive dry dock. Giant gantry cranes lift massive prefabricated steel blocks into place, where teams of welders fuse them into a single hull. Deep within the hull, multi-story diesel engines are installed before the multi-deck superstructure is mounted on top.
Once completed, millions of gallons of water flood the dry dock, letting the newly born giant float for the very first time.
Fully equipped and tested, these floating cities set sail across the ocean, powering global trade across the globe.